How to change voice by CapCut. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the CapCut application, and here you have to add any video. After that, you need to click on the video layer, then scroll these options to the left. Here you will find an option called extract audio. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, the audio from the video will start extracting, and you can see here that the audio has now been extracted and appears separately. Now, what do you need to do? Now you need to click on the audio layer, go to audio effects, and then go to voice characters. From here you can select any voice you want. For example, if I want to apply this particular voice, I will click on it, then click on tick, and after that the voice will be changed. In this way you can change the voice. So that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.